Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So with my LA Pro concealer in the shade Chestnut, I'll use that on my lid to prep it and use it as my primer before my eyeshadow. And as I finish blending it, I'll take my invisible powder black opal with my brush there and just set it to make sure I have a really smooth finish before my eyeshadow, sorry. Then today I'm using the Joanna K and the Huddah New Star Girl Edition. I'll start with the yellow color. Before that, I'll use my tape to just make sure I have a really straight line at the end. So with the yellow color called Accra in the eyeshadow palette, I'll use that on top of my crease and just blend it and build the colors slowly as I go by. So you want to use a fluffy brush when you're doing on top of your crease or on your crease. So with another fluffy brush, I'm using the shade Bold in the Joanna K, which is the orange shade. And I'm just putting that on my crease now. You can see the yellow is not yet visible, but the bold one is so visible. So I'll just build them slowly as I go. You can always go the second round if you feel like you need to. So I'll go again with the Accra color, which is the yellow. And then after that, I'll take the concealer Fawn and then just cut the crease there to be able to apply another color which I want to really pop out. After blending it, I'll take the shade Nairobi, which is the blue shade, and I'll apply that slowly with a flat brush. So I slowly apply that, and I'm not spreading, I'm just tapping it. So after that, I'll take the shade Mombasa, which is a glitter shade, and I'll put that on in front of the blue color in my tear duct there. And then I'll go again with the Nairobi color and blend the end of the shade Mombasa just to make sure I have a really smooth finish look. And then with the bold color, I'll just define that to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. And I can always go with the yellow color to add a little bit of it. So you go and build colors if you feel like you need more. So I'll take a brush, a small brush with the smoky shade, which is the dark one, and underline my my eyeline before I apply my mascara, before I put on my mascara. And then with my lash color, I'll curl my lashes and use my Maybelline mascara, and then I'll wait for it to dry and then I'll apply my lashes and I'll be back. So here I am with my lashes on. So dope, right? Maybelline Master Prime. I'll prime my face before my foundation. This is a very important step that you don't want to to skip. So I'll take my orange concealer and use that to color correct my around my mouth, which is a bit dark, and set it with a setting powder just to make it stay in one place. Then with my Maybelline foundation, Maybelline Superstay foundation, I'll blend that all over my face. And if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification button for my videos. So I'll just blend that. I'm using my foundation brush, and then I go again with my brush and make sure that it's all blended and it's all perfectly and smoothly blended. With my fawn concealer, I'll use that to highlight my face, and I'm just using a little bit of concealer, not too much, and then I'll just blend that again. So do tell me your thoughts about this look. This is a colorful look which basically focus on the eye. You can use any colors you want. You can go the brightest you want. Don't be afraid, and just put those dramatic lashes on. And then with my banana setting powder, I'll just set the concealer up And with this, I'm not baking, I'm just setting and then blending it at the same time. And then I'll brush it off. And now I'm using the shade Juba in the Star Girl Edition palette to contour my face. So this look for the coming holiday in April, you can always do this look, just show people a bit of color. Then I'll use my setting powder underneath the contour just to define my face. And with my Chanlanya blush, I'll just add a little bit of pop of color in there and blend now the powder out, because I blended too soon because I avoid the lines. And then I'll contour my nose as well with the shade Juba and blend it too. Now I'll do my under eye using the same colors that I used on top. And then with my mascara, I'll use that on my lower lashes and apply it, make it pop even more. Brush it off. I'll use my black Opal invisible powder to help wipe that. In case there was any fallout, I'll wipe them off. And then with my Anastasia Glow Kit, I'll use the shade golden bronze to bronze my face, and then with the shade Sunburst, use that to highlight my face also, just to make sure my face is a little bit glowy. I love glowing so much. So I'll do that, and when I'm done, I'll take my brush and blend it all up to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Take my lipstick, satin lipstick in the shade Charm, apply that. This is a nude lipstick, and then on top I'll go with the glossy Bare Minerals Brilliant Gloss. Apply that to make sure that I have a little bit of gloss on there, so you can see the mixture of the colors. And after setting, now you can really see the final look after I've blended it all up.